How to make a YouTube video go viral. 21 super easy tips. Consistency is key to making your YouTube video go viral. Aim to post weekly. It gives you time to create and publish quality content. Controversial topics have a higher chance of going viral. Create videos that challenge common beliefs or reveal surprising truths. Start with a strong hook that grabs viewers' attention and jump straight into the main content. Don't be afraid to shoot videos with your phone if it adds credibility. Keep the video concise and share valuable information quickly to encourage viewers to continue watching. Consistently putting out quality content is very important. Engage with your audience and encourage them to like and share your videos. Signals to the algorithm that it's high-value content. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to generate quality content. Share your videos on social media like Reddit to increase visibility and reach. Stay up to date with current trends. When you hit the right trend at the right time, your video has a higher chance of going viral. Keep an eye on popular topics and find unique angles to create engaging and shareable content.